Manipuri irang amadi miyamna thengnariba awabasing asi Center da paliba leingak asina kadishu thawoina laude haina Aicc gi secretary shu oiriba Manipur in charge Christopher Tilak na phongdorakli. Christopher Tilak asi numit taruk nigi khongchatang asi Imphal da thunglakibani. Mahak na Imphal International Airport da thunglabada Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee gi thawmi singna taramna okay. Paumishing na hangba wahangi paukhum pidaduna Christopher Tilak na makha taraduna lairaba sing yokhat nabagi pandamda semkiba Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act MG Narega si BJP leingakna VVG Ramji haina ming onthokkhibagi thawongbo yaningdaba phongdoktuna Congress na khongjang changsinbada saruk yanaba mahak Manipurda lakpani. Mahagna status ki chung amasung tamda laidiba tongan assembly constituency singda chattuna MG Narega scheme gi maru oiba singi matangda wa ngangani haidi. Border fencing kaktat lambagi matangda paumishing na hangba wahangi paukhumda mahagna makha taraduna Manipur gi irang na maram oiduna status si hauze sel thum gi fibam sathi na sokchin khibaga loinana Indo-Myanmar border the security gi oiba problem kaya su thorakli. Status the President rule laid basu hide by issue singasi loishina ba mapung fa na tabak amata paikat pangamda ba haiba si laibak thibani haina phongdoraki.
See, as far as this government at the center is concerned, whatever is happening, there will be a basic intention behind every act. And what has happened in Manipur is very unfortunate. For the last 5 years, they have irresponsibly handled the state. The economy is in a big disaster. Now security is a problem, border security is a problem. And I don't think they are really serious about even the president's rule. Last time when I came here, we had a band by one of the underground groups. So what is happening in Manipur, people are watching it, and you will have to sensitize this. Media has to sensitize it.